Chef Justin Timoneri here with Fresh from Florida, and today we are cooking Florida seafood. That's right, we've got some beautiful little yellowtail snappers here. So let's cook them, shall we? All right, you can see this one's whole. I've had the head removed from this one and it's been scaled. So what I want to do is just make a couple of incisions down to the bone. Now I'm just going to season it up a little bit of my seafood seasoning, whatever you have and that you like. All right, we've got our saute pan over here preheated on about medium high, and this is a grill pan. I like to use this inside. It's a lot of fun. And then let's go ahead and get our fish into the pan. Cut our red cabbage nice and thin so that it's good and crispy for our slaw. And we have our pickled okra that we're just gonna large dice a little bit for texture. We're gonna add some shredded carrot and then a little bit of toasted, salted peanuts, Florida peanuts of course. And then we're gonna bring that all together with just a little mayonnaise, lemon juice, and a little of our favorite seasoning blend. This is gonna be a great side for our fresh fish. It smells delicious. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Let's get it plated up with the slaw we just made. A big hunk of this slaw. All right, so we've got our slaw that has our pickled okra, our Florida peanuts and cabbage, a little bit of lemon juice, nice olive oil, a tiny little bit of mayo. Got a little bit of garnish going on our fish here, and some of the citrus that we roasted right in our pan. This looks delicious. So make sure to look for the Fresh from Florida logo when you're out there shopping and looking for your Florida seafood. Make sure to have a great relationship with who you buy your seafood from and ask questions. And for this recipe and others just like it, go to followfreshfromflorida.com.